Hey everyone, today I have for you a package of 6 carabiner clips. These are black. This is how they come in the bag. And these got a pretty strong clip on them. And you get all 6 of these. They're very, very strong. You can use these for all kinds of things around the house. To hang planters from a eye hook, or bird hangers from an eye hook. It makes it easier to take them on and off. You can, this is all kind. You can think of as clips for these various things around the house, car and camping, hiking, obviously. I want to remind you that I do a free monthly giveaway. You can subscribe, comment, and like on the YouTube channel you're watching or on the URLs listed below in the text. Thanks for watching.